Slab versus raised foundation. First-time home buyer. What you need to know. A foundation is the base upon which a building or structure is constructed. There are two main types of foundations: raised foundations and slab foundations. A raised foundation is a type of foundation that is constructed above the ground level. It typically consists of a series of piers or columns that support the weight of the building and elevate it above the ground. This type of foundation is commonly used in areas where the ground is prone to flooding or where the soil is not suitable for supporting a building. Raised foundations provide a number of benefits, including increased protection from flooding and improved drainage. Pros of a raised foundation include protection from flooding and water damage, increased ventilation and reduced potential for mold growth, ability to install utilities and mechanical systems in the raised crawl space, improved accessibility for home maintenance and repairs, protection from pests and wildlife. Cons of a raised foundation include increased construction costs, potential for increased heat loss in colder climates. Additional steps or ramps may be needed for accessibility. May not be suitable for certain types of soils or climates. It is not always architecturally or aesthetically pleasing. A slab foundation, on the other hand, is a type of foundation that is constructed at or near ground level. It is a monolithic slab of concrete that is poured directly onto the ground and acts as the foundation for the building. Slab foundations are commonly used in areas with stable soil and good drainage. They are generally less expensive and easier to construct than raised foundations, and they provide a solid and stable base for the building. Pros of a slab foundation include cost-effective. Slab foundations are generally less expensive to construct than crawl space or full basement foundations. Low maintenance. There are no crawl spaces or basements to worry about, so there's less chance of water infiltration or pest infestation. Energy efficient. Because there is no crawl space, there is less opportunity for drafts or heat loss. Cons of a slab foundation. Limited access to plumbing and electrical. If there are any issues with the plumbing or electrical systems, accessing them can be difficult and may require cutting into the slab. No storage space. There is no crawl space or basement for storage. Limited options for remodeling. Because the slab is a structural component of the house, making changes to the floor plan can be difficult and expensive. Not suitable for areas with high water table or expansive soil. Overall, the main difference between a raised foundation and a slab foundation is the height at which the foundation is constructed. Raised foundations are elevated above the ground, while slab foundations are constructed at or near ground level. Both types of foundations have their own benefits and drawbacks, and the choice of foundation will depend on the specific needs and requirements of the building or structure. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any foundation surprises. For the best home inspection, CLARO Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.